Welcome to 52 Aspen Court Southwest. One of the most important things I can tell you about this property is the fantastic location and view. And after the owner had spent $1.35 million to build this home, he spent an additional $250,000 on the landscaping. Along with a copious amount of beautiful stone and rock that was hauled in to make retaining walls, there are flowering cherries, crabapples, maples, spruce, and poplar trees, along with many different kinds of shrubs including lilacs, willows, and others, all complemented by a sprinkler system and a lighting system for at night. Stepping inside, a beautiful combination of tiger wood and dark woods that really are striking against each other. And stepping into the living room, great room area, you're really going to appreciate the view. A good sized formal sitting area with a beautiful fireplace. The kitchen is very inviting with beautiful granite, rich woods, and just about every appliance you would want. Built-in MIELE espresso machine, built-in oven, built-in microwave, and included warming drawer. High-end gas cooktop with griddle, high-end commercial style range hood, and sub-zero refrigeration. This home also has a huge walk-through pantry, 2 sinks with reverse osmosis drinking water on tap. For those special occasions, you've got a dining room that will expand as far as you'd like. Going upstairs, you've got this open grand hall concept with the bonus room upstairs that's an ample size. Stepping into the master suite, you'll find that the quality, size, and finishing won't be matched by anything in its price range. Extensive use of riverstone pebble inlay, sunny and bright with a skylight overhead, a large shower with 6 body sprays and 2 rain heads, fitted with 10mm glass doors on both sides, his and hers. Sitting behind all of this is a long, huge master closet. The master suite also has this nice sitting area with bookshelves looking onto that beautiful view of the mountains. Just off the grand hall, we've got 2 good-sized children's rooms, a really nice shared bath with granite counter and glass bowl sink. Stepping downstairs, a large open recreation area with a full bar with a wine fridge and a dishwasher. Of course, this fantastic walkout level backs onto that beautiful backyard with that great landscaping. We've got an additional bedroom downstairs and a great shared bath. The boiler system, which provides an unlimited supply of hot water to the home, also provides for heating in the floor in the basement, as well as the triple car garage floor that's treated with epoxy to protect it from road salt. We helped a buyer of mine buy a property in the area for $1.35 million. This home didn't have a view lot, didn't have these appliances, and didn't have $250,000 worth of landscaping. This home cannot be replaced for its asking price.
Thank you for taking an interest in our client's home. I want you to have the best buying experience possible. Call us today and book your showing.